It's real Johnson. It's coming down real bad right here. Over here and more. It's thundering and lightning. It's sleeting. The blizzard's coming, people. Everybody needs to put their pets inside and make sure that they don't get cold. If they're out playing in the snow, tomorrow make sure you dry them real good when they come inside. It's real bad out here. I just came from the store and they're already out of bread and milk and the necessities. They had some chickens back in the back. They were trying to get them to lay some more eggs. They were all out. Everybody hunker down. It's going to get real bad. Get your flashlights and your batteries ready. It's real cold out here right now. It's real bad. I'm going inside. I hope I don't lose my electricity.